Hello and welcome to this video, which is very easy. Today we're going to learn how to present yourself in French. Before starting, don't forget to turn on the French subtitles. It will help you learn new words in French. Let's start with the name. We say Je m'appelle Pierre. Je m'appelle Pierre. Je m'appelle means my name is. And after you add your name. So Je m'appelle plus your name. You can also say Mon prénom est Pierre. Mon prénom est Pierre. So the formula is Mon prénom est plus your name. Now for the age. We say J'ai 30 ans. J'ai 30 ans, which means I'm 30 years old. So the formula is J'ai plus your age plus ans. The equivalent in English is I am plus your age plus years old. Now, let's move to the last part, the city. Je suis de Paris. Je suis de Paris, which means I'm from Paris. You can also say Je viens de Paris. Je viens de Paris, which means I come from Paris. Thus, the formula is Je suis or viens de plus the city name. So, to present yourself, you should be able to say Je m'appelle plus your name, j'ai your age en, et je viens de your city name. Bravo! You did it! Now you know how to present yourself in French. Write in the comments which word you found the easiest to say. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. See you next time. Au revoir!